what is up mga gamers? So, this is... let me fix my hair first. So, for today, our vlog will be... Minecraft game. Wait. So, as you can see... I will start my gaming career now. Joke, I'm just joking. But I am planning to continue my Minecraft. To continue this game for maybe. I'm planning to make this game a series of games, just like PewDiePie. So this is your host, Cebuano vlogger at your service. And if you have... So, let us begin. So, let's go. So, I've created now a world. So, I've created a world now, but let us continue because I just started this world in less than just an hour lately. So let's start. Minecraft is a nice game to play because it depicts the reality of the world. Wait, let me so here it's a bit laggy because I'm recording it. So I have tools now, the basic tools that we need. I have also an iron because I have found this wreckage, so I made this a home for now. There, I made this a home. So I also found a treasure chest in here. Let me cover this up. So I have found a treasure chest and found a treasure map. Here. It's a treasure map. I think I forgot it. So I also found a treasure map in here, so I transferred it. So as you can see, it's flying. My chest is flying. So there's the bird treasure map. So, but now I didn't manage to see or to find these treasures. So I hope this game will, let's continue this game for a while. Wait. Let me go to the treasure. So I have the idea of having this treasure. Okay, it's in here. What's with this? Yep. Oh, there's a cave here. Oh my god. It's very deep. Oh, there's also an iron. So maybe let's venture out later. So we must also first build a house, for a proper house. So there's a village in there, as you can see. There's a abandoned village. So I've looted it enough. So I've got bread and everything else that I need in here. Wheat and this one shield. I think it's the shield. So I have gathered all the things I need by that village. So I spawn near in that village. But for now, let me gather these things. Wait. Okay, let's start digging this place. So I should have a shovel. Wait, where is that? There's also a... I got mistaken. I also need a torch, guys. Oh, it's very deep. Oh, it's lagging. There, I've seen now the ore that we need. So iron ore is a basic thing that we must also hunt in Minecraft because it's very needed. Minecraft. Yep. That's all. So we also need a lot of sand. We need to have a torch. Oh! Mana! Kumanaw kaon! I'm sorry. So let's just collect some ores here. So the time pass very fast. So here, let's collect all this ore, just a little bit, because we need to have a torch. Oh! Oh! I'm sorry for a little inconvenience in my recording because my mother is my mother needs my help. She wants to, so I've spotted some ores in here. Oh fuck. It nearly fall. It nearly fell. Oh shit. What the freaking breakers. Get some bread. This. What the? I felt that from that high. But anyways, let's order some oil here. I hear some zombies nearby. Oh flick. Oh flick. Oh flick. Yep, I hear some. There's a skeleton. So let's try. Oh shit, I cannot do it. Okay, let's start it. Let's use this. Let's use this. Oh my god. Wait. Let's use this to go up. Okay, we're clear. It's very dangerous. There's an ore here. How come I didn't see this thing? So now our main goal is to build a house. Time to build a house. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. So that village is so. Maybe there's a great history in that village that why it was been looted. It's been looted, I think, because you know this updated version of Minecraft is very interactive now than the before other versions. There's a loot. There's there are some looters who managed to loot a village and destroy it. That's why maybe there's a nearby looters here that looted that village and burned it. So maybe next time I'll find some of those looters and destroyed their village or their camp. So time to build a house now, guys. I will build some house. Oh!